In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. For this, go to your profile icon, then settings and privacy. Go to settings again. After that, from the account center, choose personal details. Then select personal details again. Then account ownership and control. Then select deactivation or deletion. Select again. Select delete account. Continue. Continue. Select any one of these. Continue. Continue again. Go to the bottom and click continue. Give your password here and your account will be deleted. So that's it guys. If this would help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.